Hi, welcome to the MindBody Project. Welcome back for day number 9 we're on now. So day number 9 of Q&A. So I'm doing Q&A on anxiety and depression because I've got the courses coming up. So I've got the live 8-week Depression into Happiness course, Turn Depression into Happiness course. That starts October the 4th. Then you've got the Turn Anxiety into Confidence course starting November the 6th. And then you've got the live NLP Nuco Games course as well, and that's October the 13th, a one-day course. So they're all available. Just look on the links below and you'll get all the information that you need there, or just call up and I'll speak to you myself. So right, so day number 9. So this is whatever you ask me now. Is depression caused by genetics? No. You need to look up epigenetics. Go and look up someone called Bruce Lipton. So the research, if you ask any person that studies genetics, they would tell you, no, environmental factors. That's what causes depression. How do we know this? Because you can have someone, what they did was they had like foster children. So when let's say a family got diabetes. Family got diabetes in history, but if they separate the child and put them in the foster home, at a young age, then the child that's gone to the foster home will have the same near enough habits as what the foster family have, and therefore the child, if they're really healthy, then the child will sort of mimic what they're doing. Their health will be near enough the same as theirs. It's behavioural, it's lifestyle choices and behaviour. What happened? Here's why there's a correlation. There's a correlation because you're going to eat the same foods as your family members. You're going to do the same behaviors, you're going to pick up the same routines, you're going to think the same things or have the same ideas. They may be stressing you out. This is the same with anxiety as well, and other conditions as well, heart disease for example. So that's the reason why. I think there's only 3. I think there's Huntington's, sickle cell, and I can't remember the other one. But they're more hereditary. So, but you've got to understand with genetics, genetics is like, it's not the genes, it's what you do with them. Yeah, so for example, if Usain Bolt, he's got really good genes, and he's put in the training. He trains his butt off to get those times of the 100 meters. If he'd start eating McDonald's every day, he would not have been able to get those times. If he had not trained and eaten McDonald's, he would not get those times. Yeah, because his environment, and he may even have like disease as well, because he's having a lot of chemicals and a lot of sugar and all that. So he may have like had heart disease if he had picked a different behaviour, environmental behaviour. So it's your behaviours, because what you're feeding your body is like, if you're having a load of processed foods and sugar and not a lot of vegetables and things, then your body's going to get inflamed. Yeah, then your brain gets inflamed. So all of it works together. If you're not having, for example, omega-3 fats, because a lot of people got told to stay away from fatty food, and then everyone gets depression because you need fat for your brain, omega-3. So it just depends on what you're actually doing. That's more to do with it. And look up work from Dean Ornish as well, how he reversed heart disease. He reversed heart disease and then switched off about 250 cancer-causing genes by doing aggressive nutritional strategies, meditation, social activities, physical activity, and other things as well. So you'll have to look at the research. The research doesn't show that at all. Yeah, and ask the person who, go and look at some genetics book. Just go and look at it. That's not what the research shows. So yeah, go and look at epigenetics. Go and look at Bruce Lipton. It's quite fascinating work, but yeah, that's not the case. No.